In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the SVG code from Figma. If you are building a website, handing assets to a developer, or just want a crisp, scalable graphic, copying SVG code directly from Figma is fast and reliable. SVG, or Scalable Vector Graphics, is a code-based image format that stays sharp at any size and is easy to style with CSS, which makes it perfect for icons, logos, and simple illustrations. Start by opening your design in Figma so you can see the canvas you are working on. Make sure you are in the correct page and file, and zoom to a comfortable level so you can clearly select the element you want. Next, click to select the exact layer, group, or vector graphic you want to export as code. You can select a single icon, a set of shapes grouped together, or a more complex vector illustration. Keep in mind that what you select is exactly what will be turned into SVG. So if you choose a whole group, the structure of that group will be reflected in the code. For best results, try to keep your selection clean and limited to only the elements you need. With the element selected, right-click directly on it. This opens the context menu with options specific to your selection. From there, hover over the Copy or Paste as option, then choose Copy as SVG. Figma will instantly package your selection as valid SVG markup and place it on your clipboard. Here is no download step here, it's ready to paste. Now your SVG code is available to use anywhere that accepts text. Open your code editor and paste it into a file or drop it directly into an HTML document where you want the graphic to appear. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.